Hello, and welcome to WickeyWare at Work. My name is Michael, and I'm working on Mines of Mars. When we started work on the sequel to Mines of Mars, Mines of Andromeda, we quickly realized we needed to build a new game engine because the one we created for Mines of Mars was simply not up to the task. Once this process was completed, we decided to re-release Mines of Mars in this new game engine, WGE, to make sure it would work for what we needed, plus it would allow us to quickly and easily add new features to Mines of Mars. With that said, today I'll be showing you the process of adding a new feature to the game, the ability to look around without shooting the gun when you're using touch controls. This is a feature that players have requested, and I'm excited to show you how it works. First, let's take a look at how it currently works. As you can see, whenever I aim the gun, it shoots. This can be frustrating if you're only trying to look around with the helmet's light using the gun aim, especially so if you're trying to preserve ammo. Now, let's look at how we might add this feature, though some might call it a bug fix. To do this, I'll need to navigate to the relevant code in the game engine. So the plan is to create a new on-screen controller button. Let's do this by copying one of the existing ones and updating the image. So what I worked on next, after renaming it, I got the right image, I positioned it, and then I started working on the actual functionality. So here we're going to see if the button actually shows on the screen. And the only thing I did here was just when you click it, change the color. It didn't actually do the functionality that it was supposed to. Incremental. And look at that, it does. It works. The next step was finding what allowed the gun to shoot when you're using the touch screen, and then updating our code to pause it if you have the safety on. Well, let's test it out. Well, that's not working. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a variable to the controller called gun safety, and if that is turned on, then your touch controls can look around without shooting the gun. So let's try this again. Hey, look at that. It looks like it's working. Oh, but it shot when I released. That's not quite what we want. So what was happening is when I released the touchscreen, it set it back to what was default for touchscreen, which is to allow shooting, and so that last tick had a shot in it. So after a little bit of tweaking, let's see. And it worked. Look at that, it worked. So after a few UI changes, as you can see, the gun no longer shoots when the safety is turned on. This allows players to look around and explore the world without shooting the gun and wasting ammo, which should make exploration a bit more enjoyable. Finally, after much longer than this video would have you believe, it looks like everything works as desired. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a little bit about what we do here. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.